Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Fortitude Fix. I hope you're well. In today's video, I wanted to share with you this amazing announcement. I am finally ready to share with you that I created my very first product that has come to my company. So today I'm going to take you through what my product is, and stay tuned to the very end because I actually have a giveaway in this video, and so one lucky winner will be able to take one of these kits home with them for free. I am so excited. Today is a day that I have been waiting for such a long time. I have been working so hard behind the scenes to create this product, and I am just elated to get this out there to folks who might find it useful. So what I have here are my period kits. Now, I know sometimes when you hear the word period, you hear the word menstruation. It's a lot for some people, and it might even turn some people off, but the fact of the matter is, one, I am a health educator, so by nature. Two, I was also born with the uterus, and three, I understand periods oh so well, as I've actually been dealing with them for 20 years. Yeah, it's been 20 years of this. So I wanted to be able to share my knowledge to also empower young girls who are getting their periods for the very first time. If you know anything about me, you know that I am a huge fan of The Cosby Show. It is a show that I watched growing up. I love some of the messages within the story, and one in particular that was part of the catalyst for this idea was the Women's Day. So if you're familiar with Phylicia Rashad, who plays Claire Huxtable on The Cosby Show, she has 4 daughters, and they have this episode where Rudy, the youngest, gets her period, and all of her friends come over and talk to her about all of the things that they know about periods. Phylicia Rashad, or Claire Huxtable, then says, I'm gonna have to go upstairs and like reprogram her and tell her like the real deal about periods, because I know there's a lot of myths going around. What she does in her family in that TV show is something called Women's Day. And so on the first day that each of her daughters got their periods, they planned something called Women's Day, and the daughter was able to choose what they wanted to do. I believe one went for a spa day, and one just wanted a movie night with mom, and that's something that I want to adopt in my family too. Whenever my husband and I start having our children, if I am blessed with a daughter, I want to do Women's Day. I think it is an amazing concept, and I just love women supporting women, even younger women. So with that said, I have offered puberty education classes to thousands upon thousands of young students in schools, and the majority of the girls, every single time that we talk about periods and menstruation, have questions, which is normal, but also the main fear that they shared with me over and over is the fear of getting their period at school and being completely caught off guard and unawares. So with that said, I remember my first experience with my period. I was at home luckily, but I had just gotten home from school, and I went to an all-girls school, so it was kind of, it wasn't as embarrassing, I feel, for me, but I do recognize that that's not the case for everybody. This crippling fear that they kept sharing with me of not being ready, not being prepared, not knowing what to do, I offered this puberty education, but I also gave them a little tidbit of advice. And I asked them to maybe talk to their parent, talk to their trusted adult, big sister, auntie, someone in their life that they trust, and maybe ask them if they could create a kit to then be able to have everything that they need inside to keep with them in their backpack, in their locker, just so they feel that much more prepared. We know that periods don't really call ahead and let us know, especially the very first one. So I created a bunch of period kits for that special young lady who is super nervous about getting her period at school and wants to be prepared. Let's take a dive and see what's inside. Go ahead and open it. This pouch is so pretty. It's got this very nice material on the outside. It does open up on the bottom, and the zip top to actually show everything that's inside. So once I unzip it, we have two standard regular pads that are inside. These are individually wrapped and ready for use. I've also added 2 panty liners to the kit as well, just in case the period is starting in the beginning or ending at the end. Very important to protect our clothing and our underwear, and so using some liners can be very useful. I have some hand sanitizers. I have also included a package of flushable wipes. Sometimes the tissue that is available for us in the restroom may not do everything that we need it to do, so carrying some flushable wipes are useful as well for that extra added feeling of clean. These flushable wipes are resealable, so you can open here with the flap, take what you need and close it back. Here we have a package of tissue, Kleenex here. It says summon your strength. I love getting tissue that has some type of motivational or inspirational saying on them, so I've included this in there because, again, we just want to feel good. Inside each kit, there is going to be a Ziploc bag, and so this is for any soiled clothing. If a person wants to put a pair of underwear inside of this kit, there's more than enough room to do so, and so the plastic bag is just in case to put the soiled underwear in so it does not touch any of the other items. I have a hair tie as well inside of each kit because, again, when you're dealing with this and there's a flood of emotion, if your hair's down, if it's in your way, if you want to change up your do, a really nice hair tie inside. Some candy. So in each kit there will be a blow pop and a wonderful piece of chocolate. We know that sweets can make us feel amazing, so I've added these to the kit as well. So this kit includes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This is a 12-piece period kit that I have. This is available on my Etsy shop. I will leave the link down below. If you do go to Etsy.com and just search The Fortitude Fix, you will find the period kit available. So now we've come to the point of the video where I'm going to tell you everything you need to know how to enter the giveaway. So this is my very first giveaway that I'm doing on this channel, and it will be open for 1 week. So from today all the way up until next week, you are able to enter the giveaway. So here's what you need to do. Please, number 1, make sure that you are subscribed to The Fortitude Fix. Go ahead and click that red subscribe button below. 2, leave a comment on this video with your best advice for someone who might be experiencing their period for the very first time. What's something that you were taught? What's something that stuck with you? What's something that you learned? Leave a comment down below on your best advice for someone who's going to be experiencing their period. Lastly, go ahead and follow The Fortitude Fix on Instagram, and once you've completed all these 3 things, I will then come back in 1 week's time and pick a winner at random. I will be sending this kit to the lucky winner, and I am excited. So all the info that I just stated will be down below in the description box on the giveaway. Best of luck to everyone who enters, and I look forward to seeing you again right back here in another video. Thanks so much for watching, and remember to always fill your cup.